How to delete or close Best Buy account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete or close the Best Buy account. Now, there are many ways on how you can delete or close your Best Buy account. One of them is sending the customer support an email. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now you can open any mail. Here I'm going to be using Gmail. So open mail.google.com and make sure to sign into your Gmail account. Now click on the compose option and on the recipient you want to enter mybestbuy@bestbuy.com. Then for the subject enter request to delete my account. Now you want to compose an email stating the reason why you want to delete your Best Buy account. Also mention the account details as well so it will be easier for the customer service to delete your account. Once all of that is done, you want to click on the send option. Once your request has been submitted, the customer support may take some time to review your account deletion request. Once your account has been deleted, you will receive a confirmation email as well. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.